What is bird dogging? Bird dogging is essentially connecting a buyer to a deal, right? Me, the buyer, you're connecting a deal to me to then save my time to then be the one to have to go find that deal. That is very loose in the sense of sometimes there's a seller and there's a buyer. Sometimes the seller has an agent, sometimes they don't. Sometimes a wholesaler is working with the agent, sometimes they're not, right? But we need to get the deal from a seller to a buyer. And a lot of the times, what you are doing as a bird dog is you're either working with the seller, the agent, or a wholesaler to then connect that deal to the buyer.